Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
In Holland, which is part of the VP Dalsam Pali Association. Hinga आज तेणी railway with the railway protection force came. They are clearing the bushes and the undergrowth and the shrubs. So we got the information from the villagers who were very much agitated. So we approached them and we convinced the Rail Vikas Nigam employees and the railway protection force that they shouldn't trespass into the private land. And they agreed to our request, and very law and order situation was averted. Actually, at the moment, villagers are getting agitated. Here we are talking about land which doesn't belong to the railways. So the Rail Vikas Nigam must understand, that they are coming into a very, they are inviting the tricky situation upon themselves.
हॉटेल लॉबी आणि बिल्डरां खातीर कासावले रेल्वे क्रॉसिंगाचेर नवो रेल्वे ओव्हरब्रिज जाता म्हण कासावलेकरांचो आरोप.
In our area, it is 3 ancestral houses, olden built in 1947 and before that.
3 ancestral houses and
The roads will come close to the houses, all destroying all compound. Some people are poor people; their footstep is touching that require the land as planned by them. And so what we say is, if you have an underbridge, it will be connected to the existing road. Like it is to facilitate the hotel lobby and the builders. Because bigger the bridge is and bigger the thing, the builders will be able to build bigger, huge buildings. So we don't want to turn our village into a city.
So whoever is losing land, they have filed an objection stating that. So for that we will take up the railways also. We will take up their what is the exact plan, who is losing, whatever. Because they are also under. They also don't know exactly how much the land they are losing.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.